There's a simple and natural way to stop snoring that hardly anyone knows about. You should definitely try this. In most cases, snoring is a unique problem that mostly affects the ones that live with the one with this issue. And if your partner snores, you already know what we are talking about here. Let's admit it, snorers don't share our terrible destiny to spend many sleepless nights and wake up irritated. In most cases, snoring happens during the deep sleep cycles of people with misshapen nasal walls, constricted airways, or ones that have consumed too much alcohol or are overweight. Additionally, snoring can also be caused by an excess phlegm in the throat or nose. Yet, we are here to share the good news. There is an effective natural remedy which stops snoring. Numerous people state that the regular consumption of the following tasty anti-snore juice has helped them stop snoring. Ingredients: 1/4 lemon, 2 carrots, 1 fresh ginger root, 2 apples. Method of preparation: in a juicer or blender, mix the ingredients listed above and prepare a juice or a smoothie. Consume it several hours before going to bed on a daily basis. The effectiveness of this natural juice is in the properties of its ingredients. The high vitamin C content in the lemon juice thins the nasal fluids and cleanses the nostrils, while the carrots and the apples clear the nose and promote a sound sleep. Also, ginger soothes the excess pressure and pain in the nostril. Snoring is harmless in most cases, but if you regularly experience interrupted breathing or consistent difficulty sleeping, you should medically address the issue.